Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to level up fast in Diablo Immortal. First, open the Diablo Immortal app on your mobile device. Then tap on Next. Now select the character which you want to play. You can totally customize it as per choice. Now you need to name this character. Tap on Create to continue. Now wait for your game to be loaded. Tap on the screen to agree with all these instructions. Now drag this joystick to move. Keep on playing the game. Because playing the game is the only way to level up fast in Diablo Immortal. As you can see, by playing the game, our levels are getting up. It will also help you to improve your performance so you'll be able to pass the levels more quickly. So, that was all about leveling up fast in Diablo Immortal. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.